ओम गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ध्यानमूलं गुरुमूर्तिः पूजामूलं गुरुपदं मंत्रमूलं गुरुर्वाक्यं मोक्षमूलं गुरु कृपा। सद्गुरु भगवान की जय। स्वामी जी महाराज की जय। शिवोहम। टुडे इज द भगवद गीता चैप्टर 4 स्टेंजा 13। सद्गुरु श्री कृष्ण भगवान says, चातुर्वर्णं मया सृष्टुं गुणकर्म विभागशः तस्य कर्तारमपि मां विद्ध कर्तारमव्ययम्। चातुर्वर्णं मया सृष्टुं गुणकर्म विभागशः तस्य कर्तारमपि मां विद्धि अकर्तारम अव्ययम्। Chaturvarna means 4 varnas: Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra. These 4 groups in India, they are well known, but all over the world the 4 type of person lives. Maya means by me. Srishtum, it means created by me. Guna karma vibhagasha, it means by 3 gunas and their functions. On the basis of these 3 gunas and their functions, they are karmas. Gunas karmas. Tasya means that world created and prevented and governed and function and dividation of the duties. Kartaram means even being doer. Mam means for me. Viddhi means no. Akartara means non-doer. Avyayam means immortal, undestroyable, supreme God. The meaning of this stanza is, I had created the weak 4 groups: Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya and Shudra by their gunas, Satoguna, Rajoguna, Tamoguna, and their function of these gunas. Even I creator of these universes, but you know me, Arjun, you know me, I am non-creator because I am the undestroyable Supreme God. It is contradictory statement of Lord Krishna, but it has the deep meaning. And on one end they say that I create the 4 group by the gunas, and another end they say, you know that I am not creator, I am not doer. Sachidananda Sadguru, the only and only master of uncountable galaxies, says the 4 weak groups created by me, by the hand of Brahma. Try to understand. It is not created by the Sachidananda Paramatma, it is created by Brahma. So he say, you can know that I am not doer. You know, the Brahma appear by the belly button of Mahavishnu. The Brahma is the form of God Vishnu in this way. The master teaching about the creativity of four big varnas, that is big groups. They are made by the scale and by the measure and by the qualities of three gunas and their characteristics. The varnas not by birth. If you are Brahman, born in the Brahman family, and you have the very, very bad qualities of your life, you are doing sins, you are doing harmful activities, you are not Brahmana. So the varnas not depend on the birth or not described by the birth. Varnas base of quality and gunas. The quality and the gunas decide your varna. The Brahman are the pure form of Satoguna and having very high and nice qualities, the positive and pleasant qualities like mercy, like purity of heart, the divine love, the truthfulness, the forgiveness, the sympathy, the regular lifestyle, the well-wishing of all living beings, talking very, very sweet manner, and the taking vegetarian food, never stole anything, never store unnecessary thing, no guilt, no fear, no revenge. These type of the qualities, and try to educate divinity and spirituality to other, and try to know himself, the actual form of your life. Try to know Atma. So that is Brahmana. The Kshatriya, the second Varna, have the Rajoguna, the power and governance. They are created for the defense of creature and all the lives of this world. So they have more Rajoguna and some little Satoguna. Kshatriya has the quality of these. They are powerful, they are genius, strong and brave and warriors and purity of understanding, and right and wrong they can understand very well. They trustful, impartial, they are active person, they are quickness, they have quickness, they have killing spirit. So if there are more characteristics, anyone have to together in Kshatriya. So they called the Kshatriya. And you can see in the Kshatriya, they are very, very devotee of Brahmana. They shelter and they prevent the divine persons and destroy the evil persons of this earth. The third category of this Varna is Vaishya. They created by the combination of Rajoguna and Tamoguna. They have the both character of Rajogunas like Kshatri and Tamoguna like Shudra. They have power of working, they have the management skills, business, agriculture, seva, strength of the structure of economy. They know how to flow goods and essential commodities to everyone. Accurateness, they balance in the society. They strong in skill of different type of transportation of goods, and they are impartial, honest, and work. These the character of the Vaishya. And now so the Vaishya are the transportation power of economical and agriculture support of society. Now I want to say about Shudra. Very sensitive. It is very sensitive matter because the Shudra in the ancient time, this type not casteism in the Shudra. They have Tamoguna but little bit Satoguna and Rajoguna also. They are the great servant of God, creature. They have very nice characteristics. They have nice endurance, tolerance, services without partiality, hard working, capacity of skill, of services, the great destructive power and great respect for other three varnas, three groups. So it is very clear that the varnas management created by the God has no dependency on birth system. Varnas not depend on casteism. The casteism in India is the group of biggest family. It is Kutumba. I want to say that we are come here by the Brahma's son, Vyavaspatva Manu. So we are all in this planet has one great grandfather. So all world is the biggest family and we are all brothers and sisters. Gita says, if you are loving in any condition, you are loving the God and you are living in any planet, you are living in any continent, any country, or you are rich or poor, you have any religion, are you Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, Parsi, Yahudi, Jewish, any religion, Buddha, you have any religion, there is no difference that you are the son of God, you are the son of Vyavasvat, Manu, and so you have any complexion, you are black, you are white, and you have any type of your feature of your face, you have the same root of life, that is the Vyavasvat Manu. And we are living in the great era that is called Vyavasvat Manvantar. So, Indian Rishi and holy person says that Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. It means the whole world is our big family. Beyond these three varnas, Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra, there is another varna also. That is the Vivarna, the person who are cruel, devil-like person, the vampire-like person, they having terrorism, they creating fear, they killing innocent person, they eating the flesh of the men also, and they eating the flesh of prohibited animals. So, they are called Rakshasa. So every human has a duty. They avoid and stop the Rakshasa. They 1 minute. They do not support them. They do not help them. So they help to eradicate them from earth. So this is the beyond the four varnas. In every country, not in India, this type of person is living in every country. They have no religion. In every religion they living. So the avatar comes. The avatar Rama, Krishna, Kapila, Parashurama. Avatar comes to kill this like of devils and Rakshasa, and they want to save this earth. The destruction of the devils and evils, the worst persons, they are dangerous for humanities. The persons are not change their life like Kaurava, like Ravana and Rakshasa. So the Krishna teach us, if you can do like this to destroy them, you can do, and if you do not can destroy, you do not help him. Now I want to describe the inner side of, the internal side of teaching of this stanza. Our mind have a big evil wishes, the thoughts flowing in our mind. The energy flows outside from your soul center, because you do not know your true form of Atma, and you are ignored, you are in dark. That awakening is that unknowing is ajnana. So the Arjuna give a message. All time in your consciousness brings that is you are only body, you are only body. So person knows only body is life. In the real form of your life is body. So the persons, they are cure only body, they attend only body, the all attention on the body, do as like of living as like life, do as the body and mind require. They fulfill the requirements of body and mind. They are living in very very narrow space, and they are living in the lowest stage of the life. So in the spiritualism they called Sudras, because they are living in Shudra, in the narrow thinking. So Sudra is not a group of caste. Sudra is the mental state of unknowing life, unconsciousness, unawakeness, unaware. So man is Sudra. There is the all the force stop the consciousness, the total unconscious. They do not know beyond the body, only they know the body is fact, other is unknown. So they are Sudras in the internal stage. You can understand. If a person is born in Brahman family and he is living only in body, he is care body, he is care senses, here he is fulfill his wish, he do not want to know more than this, he is Sudra. The second stage of internal life, when we come in touch of Master and hear the Master's teaching and understand Master's words, do service of Master and start the awareness towards the truth, then the energy stop to wasting, then the energy start to conserve. That is the stage of the Vaishya. It means the storage of energy had been beginning for the next stage. We become rich in energy and giving internal wisdom of the divinity, that is called pragya. This is the condition of the internal state of the Vaishya Varna. The next stage, the faith is become strong, and we do as Master desire, Master directed. We do as Master directed. We do the continuous meditation and start to fight our internal enemies. And we prepare ourselves for the higher efforts. We make a balance. We become a brave and fearless and strong in the will. We know the defensive skill from illusion, that stage of Kshatriya. The Kshatriya stage, the stage of strong ability for enlightenment. Now you are Now you are becoming Jigyasu. Now the master can work on you and try to aware you. Now you can hear the master's voice. Now you are the some precious person and you are in peaceful condition. That is the stage of Kshatriya. At the last and highest stage, second highest stage of the life is when your consciousness, you become a more pure, you are very nice, and you are very nearer to know yourself. All the illusion going to disappear. The division of the Maya and Brahma is coming near you. You can know that division. And the divine sun is arising, ready to arise in you. You are coming in pure condition, near to getting the nectar of immortality. God is most pleased on you in the form of the master. That is the stage of Brahmana. After Brahmana, you can transform in the Brahma. I want to repeat, never hate to anyone in this world. Every person having God, every person have presence of God in the form of Atma. So God says, Brahmana is my head, Kshatriya is my arm and chest, Vaishya are my abdomen, and Shudras are my feet. So everyone worship the feet of God, no one worship the hand or head. So the Shudras is more respective persons on this world because they are very good servant. So we should respect the Shudras in the fact of God. They are more respective. If any society ignore his servant or his serviceman, that society will destroy soon. So Srimad Bhagavatam says, I want to quote the Srimad Bhagavatam. Srimad Bhagavatam says, Brahmana, Vaishya and Kshatriya, they got me by more efforts, but Shudras got me by little service. So if any Shudra, they do the honestly service, God will pleased on the Shudra, because the Shudra is the feet of the God, the lotus feet of the God. So we must come out from illusion of Maya. This is the journey from dark to light. This is the journey from hate to love. This is the journey from sleep to awareness. Maya to Brahma. Maya created your consciousness broken in the state of the Maya, and Sadguru want to give you again your awakeness and become you a free soul. Free soul is light of God. I can help you, and I want to say in the last of this discourse, the God said that Arjuna, know that I am not doer, because this is all illusion, and nobody can do the illusion. Illusion come automatically. So God not create. God only give you a chance to aware. He comes in the form of master, and ultimately God is not doer, because God is only existence. He is existing. He is not functioning. The nature is functioning everything. The nature, the system is automatically doing everything, and you are mesmerized in the doing of nature. Please come out and do not mesmerize, do not hypnotize the work of nature. As you go in the rail train and you see that trees are running, trees are not running. This is your illusion. So you are not doer. You are the light of God, you are the love of God. Only one thing is essential. You have to know yourself, your true form of life, that is your Atma. You have